I'm Rebecca Newhouse with Country Campers of Vermont, and today I want to show you something so special. We have one of the first to deliver 390RK Solitudes from Grand Design. Let's take a look at what makes this superior. The first thing that makes this a standout unit is the outdoor kitchen. If you are the camp cook, this could be the best thing you've ever seen. It folds out nicely, giving you lots of prep room, lots of grill room, and even serving area. And we come inside to see how did we get this space and convenience. It's the super chassis, 101-inch wide body chassis. This allows us to have not only deeper slide rooms, wider sofas, more livable floor space. It also allows for a wide rail design that gives you a drop rail for better stabilization. It's wider. Next big feature is incredible storage space. Only 3 Solitudes now have this incredible slide-out tray and storage area. Imagine everything you're bringing with you easy to get to. Imagine your canoes or other camping items in here. All the big awkward sized things you now have space for. We also have an easy reel for your power cord. You'll never have to have that cord dragging all over everywhere. Not only do we have incredible pass-through storage, but with your enclosed underbelly, heated tanks, ducted heating for everything, including your water hookups, water filtration system, all heated. So you don't think this outdoor kitchen is too wielding for anyone to be able to navigate in or out? It's really pretty simple. We can drop our guest chef, swing our table back around, lock her in place, and now we're just going to walk this up. Yep. Push her right in. That easy. As we get ready to walk inside, I do want you to notice solid stairs. You'll never have to worry about your footing walking in or out again. So come on inside. And just to give you an idea of quality of construction and how our values are about insulation in more ways than one. Hear the difference solid and well insulated makes. And this is no little girl. At 41.5 feet and 14,000 pounds dry, 16,000 plus fully loaded, that 101-inch chassis gives us deeper slides for a bigger living area. 2 fold-out sofa beds, a recliner with heat and massage, theater-sized TV, DVD, Blu-ray, radio, and of course, InnoFlame fireplace. You may also notice there are no heat vents in the floor. This comes in horizontal, giving you better control of heat and no soft spots in the floor or places to collect dirt. So, let's take a look at the kitchen. We step up into a lovely kitchen, chef designed to give you everything you need, including your extra large convection microwave, plenty of storage, much like when we were looking outside. Storage is the theme of the day. You'll never run out of outlets, USB ports, and storage. Nice big sinks, lots of windows, a lovely island to give you even more counter space and more storage, range, big oven, more windows, more outlets, and of course, nice big 18 cubic foot refrigerator. And when we say storage, we really mean storage. Easy glide, well constructed, solid wood cabinetry. And really now, nothing's more important than the bathroom. This lovely restroom has 2 sinks, backlit mirror, plenty of little nooks and crannies for everything. Underneath, more storage than I've seen in a fifth wheel, porcelain toilet, and a big seated shower. And of course, a pantry for more towels and storage. One of my favorite features is the place where you can tuck away your shoes and comfortably sit to put them on in the morning. Simply slides back in, right under your beautiful king-size bed. Outlets and USB ports on both sides of the bed. Plenty of beautiful storage. Your walk-in closet with shelves and hanging. And if you should want, it is plumbed for a washer and dryer or just more storage. Everything you could want for comfort in your king-size bedroom with added dresser, TV, shades, outlets everywhere. And oh, with this double AC unit, you're never going to have to worry with 30,000 BTUs of cooling air at your demand. So, I hope you enjoyed your walkthrough of a 390RK Solitude by Grand Design. And you know, we were very fortunate here at Country Camper of Vermont to be one of the first dealers to receive one on our lot. I hope you'll come visit us, take your own walkthrough, and see what a difference Solitude by Grand Design makes. Come on over to Country Camper of Vermont today and see what she looks like.